what should we make today? I don't know what to make. I have no vegetables. I'm literally out of ideas. Now, has that ever happened to you? I'm sure this happens to each and every one of us. Out of vegetables, out of ideas. So, I'm going to help you come up with this amazing idea of making this instant recipe, which is Sev Tomato Ki Sabji. It is a Gujarati recipe. My mom, I grew up literally eating this vegetable. This is very chatpata, very yummy. And it is also, you can also call it Sev Tomato Ki Sabji, which is Sev and tomatoes vegetable. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making Sev Tomato Ki Sabji. And if you do like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe and then click on that bell icon so that you get notified for all my future recipes, and it's free. So why wait? Do it right now. And now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe, you're going to need 2 tomatoes, 2/3 cup of sev, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric, 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, which is coriander cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now this is not very spicy. 1 tablespoon of good or jaggery, or you can take as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of rye, which is mustard seeds, and 1 big piece of clove, which I have mashed it up over here. And then you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 cup of water, and salt as per your taste. And that is about it. So now let's begin our process. In a kadai, I'm going to add the oil, and once hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds, which is rye, and once it starts to sizzle, I'm going to add the roughly chopped up tomatoes, followed by the salt, and stir it well. Once mixed, I'm going to add the turmeric, which is haldi, and mix well again. Then I'm going to add the mashed garlic and the coriander cumin powder along with the Kashmiri red chili powder and mix again. Then adding the jaggery and the water and mix it again. The reason I keep stirring our tomatoes in intervals is because I don't want our tomatoes to sit and get burned at the bottom of the pan. And now guys, we are going to turn the flame on low and cook them for the next 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, the tomatoes are nicely cooked. And now to this, I'm going to add the sev and cook for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, our dish is ready. So let's remove it in a serving bowl, and you can have it with some bhakri or even with roti, and this is looking too tempting, so I am now digging in. Just perfect. I'm telling you guys, it's absolutely amazing. It's a little sweet, it's a little sour, it's a little spicy. Just a perfect blend of all the flavors. Amazing. Do give it a try. You saw how instant and quick it is, right? Also guys, just add the sev right before you are about to serve. Just 1 minute before you are about to serve, just add the sev at that time. And I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to click on this subscribe button right here. Do it right now. And if you did like this recipe, I'm sure you're going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.